Nag-asa po kami kasi umulan. I'm so full na. I'm so bloated.
Look up.
Ganon! Isang malakas na palakpakan ng Mirna Factor! Isn't she lovely? Hey! Isn't she there you have it! Siyempre, no? Hindi pa pwede at hindi pa tayo papayag sa hindi matuloy at hindi makita ang second look ng ating birthday celebrant, Madam Mirna. At ito naman talaga, napakaganda. Ibang atake naman ang kagandahan ang ibinigay at pinakita ni Mirna.
Huwag ka mag-alala, Ma'am Mirna. Kanina kasi nag-aalala siya.
Oo, nag-aalala na siya.
Yes.
Na baka daw kasi yung mga guests niya ay mga bisita niya ay umuwi na. Pero still, nakikita mo naman, Madam, nandito
Yes.
pa.
85 to 90% ng bisita
Oo,
kanina
nandito pa. Huwag ka mag-alala, itutuloy at kailangan matapos itong programang ito. Siyempre, para sa iyong special na kaarawan.
Eh, pwede na tayo muna po, Madam.
Sige, Madam, upo ka muna dyan. Yan. Oo. Para at least, and please be seated to all our guests and visitors. Yung mga nandiyan po sa dulo, balik po kayo dito, ha? Dito po kayo, compress po tayo dito. At least, mapil naman ni Madam Mirna na talaga naka-warm and surround. Ilana! Let's go! Ay, ito siya, Mr. Kate. This time, I'd like to go for another dance, Mr. Kevin Factor. Of course, hindi makukumpletong itong dance rose na to kung hindi niya maisasayaw ang kanyang in behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you Mr. June Factor. Palakpakan naman, everybody.
Tell me all it is that you want.
Once again, let's give it up for Mr. June Factor. Hindi natin ang moment.
With inspiring words, I'll always love you. And forever, I will be your lover. And I know you really care. I will always be now. I need this. There's no other love.
Nayak si Ate Rose eh.
Lapit po tayo, sige po. Lapit na po tayo dito.
Para habang pinakantahan natin yung ating birthday celebration, nakikita niya ang bawat mukha ng lahat ng mga bisita niya, di ba?
Yung mga talagang nag-stay, yung mga
Yes.
talagang tinapos yung program, I'm sure, natatandaan niyo yung bawat mukha ninyo kasi yan yung pinaka-special na day niya na hindi nyo siya iniwan. Kaya, for sure na it's a big kind of factor po yan sa kanya. Happy birthday to you! Come on, everybody!
Happy birthday to you.
Let's sing loudly!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Huwag masabi, mas masaya naman, guys!
Happy birthday to you.
One more time!
Happy birthday to you.
Much louder!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Mami, here now, make a wish before you blow your tea candle. Sabihin niyo po kung ready na kayo. Sige po. And then isa pa. Once again, let's give it up for our birthday Spencer on our 60th birthday celebration. And together with, of course, the Factors family, maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo nang iiwan. Huwag niyo nang iiwan siya at si Mommy. And the rest of our guests and customers tonight, isang malakas na palakpakan naman, everybody. Para mas intimate, para mas maganda at mas memorable to.